What's more challenging than having one marriage? It's having two marriages at the same time. Let me tell you what I mean. You might be married and have a strong relationship with your spouse, but if you're in business and you have a business partner, you in effect have another marriage, and that can be incredibly challenging. So let me give you a quick exercise to help you improve your business partnership. Get into a room with your business partner and put a question at the top of a piece of paper. And the question is this: in what specific ways can I improve my contribution to this partnership in the next 90 days? Now, you're going to spend 2 minutes answering that question, writing as many ideas as you can come up with to that question. And your partner is going to do the same. So you're both brainstorming how you can improve in your contribution to the partnership. Then what you do is look at your list, and you'll probably come up with 4 to 8 ideas, and put a check mark in your mind next to the top 2 ideas. Don't put a check mark on the piece of paper. Just make a note in your mind of what you think your best ideas are. Then swap papers with your partner and have your partner put a check mark next to the top 2 ideas that they think you should implement to improve your contribution to the partnership. And then you do the same for your partner. Exchange papers again and take a look at what they put a check mark next to and what you put a mental check mark next to. That will help to identify some areas that you both agree would be useful for you to improve as far as your contribution to the partnership, and vice versa. Then have a frank, open discussion about how you can do that practically. This whole exercise needs to take, maybe half an hour. And the idea is to identify 1 or at the most 2 things you can do to improve your contribution to the partnership. Have your partner do the same, and that can improve the health of your business partnership. I hope that you found the video helpful. Thanks for watching.